joint stock company, Topos Tovarniky, is a result of the long-term development of machine production in the region of Topolchany. The company history dates back to the short period after the Second World War in the form of workshops for the repair of agricultural machinery. The establishment of Topos Company was the culmination of several developmental stages, accompanied by changes of ownership. The production company's focus is orientated to the manufacture and supply of machinery components. The focal point of our technological facilities area is components for hydraulic machines for final manufacturers of construction and other industrial machinery, components for agricultural machines and mechanisms. The company Topos Tovarniky is a holder of quality system certificates for the quality management system according to the European standards ISO 9001, the quality system of welding according to European standards ISO 38342. The short-term goal is the certification of the environmental management system according to standard ISO 14001. The complexity and diversity of technologies allows us to provide components with a wide range of dimensions and shapes. Technological capabilities allow the complex process of semi-product using several technologies. For programming of CNC machines, we use EdgeCam software, and for the design of products, Solid Edge version 17 software, enabling 3D component design and creating 2D drawing documentation. Material flow begins by the checking of the raw material that is important to ensure material quality in the production process. For cutting of materials, we use several devices: bandsaw, bomber, GA330NC, scissors NTC 2000/4, plasma Pierce Excalibur 2500. Laser Triumph L3030S. Dimension of working table 3000 by 1500 mm and output of 3200 watts. The additional laser device, Rotolas, allows the machining of tubes by changing of the position from vertical cutting of the metal sheet. This device allows the machining edges of square profiles by exact calculation of the cutting speed and movement on the Z-axis that ensures precision cutting of materials. Oxygen cutting device Messer Multitherm. Dimension of working table 6000 by 2000 mm. Speed travel of the machine is 35 meters per minute. That is a result of high-speed positioning and the possibility of cutting with 3 burners at a time. key technology of our company is also the heat treatment of parts. The line of heat treatment furnaces is a complex of mechanized equipment that allow heat and chemical thermal treatment in a protective atmosphere. It consists of multi-purpose continuous chamber furnace, chamber furnaces for high temperature and low temperature tempering, endothermic generator, immersion and spray washer, and freezer. The heat treatment line ensures the process of hardening and finishing in a protective atmosphere, annealing, cementation followed by hardening in oil bath, cementation with cooling in a protective atmosphere, carbonitriding followed by hardening. Induction hardening takes place on the mid-frequency hardening device P16. The painting process is ensured by the using of classic technology, spray paint with compressed air. For coating, we use synthetic, epoxy and polyurethane paints according to customer requirements. Quality has become a dominating and decisive factor in the company. Product quality is achieved by a system of intermediate operation and final inspections. This is ensured by an air-conditioned controlling measurement center equipped with 3D stationary measuring device, DEA Global Performance, Contour Graph Perthometer, MAR, Roughness Meter, Mitutoyo SJ301. Furthermore, we use a mobile 6-axis 3D measuring arm with high-precision absolute sensors. The joint stock company Topos Tovarniky supplies more than 80% of welded and machined products, mainly to Western Europe. The rest is for the domestic market and other parts of Eastern Europe. Part of the production has gone to the Americas recently. The biggest suppliers are successful companies of resonant names. These are mainly manufacturers of agricultural machines. Furthermore, the manufacturers of construction machinery and equipment. Other customers are from various German companies and the Slovak and Czech manufacturers of hydraulic systems. At the end of the year 2011, our company was awarded the prize Supplier of the Year 2011. Awarded for progress in the manufacture and supply of weldment for the last 3 years by the customer Maschinenfabrik Bernhard Kroner. The joint stock company Topos Tovarniky has become, in the process of development, capable to offer quality in all areas of management, learn and achieve progressive development to fulfill the attributes of a stable business partner. The main idea for the future period remains in the present: art in mechanical engineering.